Today you will know how to quickly and effectively clean unnecessary files on your computer running Windows 10. The first step is to use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Simply open File Explorer. Select the disk you want to clean. Right-click and choose Properties. Then go to the General tab and click Disk Cleanup. Select the types of files you want to delete. And click OK. The second useful tool is the Settings app in Windows 10. Go to Settings. Select System. Then Storage. Here you will find the Free Up Space section, which allows you to quickly delete temporary files and files from the recycle bin. Click on Temporary Files to start cleaning process. Wait until the system calculates the number of unnecessary files. And click Remove Files to delete all junk files from your computer. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out other videos on this channel. See you soon.